asleep.
Yay, Boo Boo Chicken. Yeah.
Oh, from Dee Dum. I smell
Curious.
a duck and a dog.
Come here, Curious.
The giant. Oh.
Yeah. Yay, Boo Boo. Yeah, that's Papa. Yeah. Goulash.
The bubble machine or the mystery mousket tool. Which one will slow the giant down?
Hey, baby.
Little, big. What do we have to say now?
Yeah.
Little.
Yeah.
Say it with us. Big. Little. Big. Little.
Yay.
You're doing it!
Yeah.
I taught her how to push with her legs, and so she's realized she can move herself now. So you mommy push her.
Now what's she gonna do? Now what you gonna do, baby?
Get off and crawl.
Yeah.
You need help?
I sing all day, kept having I sing that song. Come here, boo boo.
Okay.
Go, Curious.
Come here.
Need to remind. There you go. Go, boo boo. Ride your horsey.
Yay.
Push the button again. Good job.
Come here, baby.
Keep going.
Come here, baby.
Go to daddy.
Yeah.
If you keep going, it'll go again. She thinks she wants it to go, and he wants it to go. She doesn't realize if she moves, it goes. Come on, go. Go. Good job. She's like, I have no music to go.
Yay.
She used to be scared of it, and now she loves it.
Yeah. You go, baby. And Grammy will like this.
She's gonna cry. Look at her.
Because you just said she looks like me every day.
She's exhausted. She wants ready for a nap. You wanna have some milk and a night?
Hey, baby. Say thanks, Grammy, for the gift.
It's stuck. She's like, I'm not going anywhere.
Hey, boo boo.
Hi. Are you ready for a nap? Mommy's big girl. Want a kiss?
You get sick. She's sick.
I think it's impossible not to get it from her. Just she snuggles me and rubs her boogies on me. Are you ready for a nap? Is she still coming home?
Yeah. She's ready for a nap.
Let me give her some milk.
Poke. Poke. Poke.
A pretty blue bow in her hair. She's like, these babies are making fun of me. That's how I sound. Daddy, do you have some scissors? She's like, I want to look at it, but I don't want it to touch me. You hold her hands and you say, hey, baby. It's like a game waiting to see which one's gonna move. Here, you want to put her back in her crib?
What do you think, Karis?
Do you like that? Oh. This is 22 each. Normally, regular price is 25 bucks. So you can go play with her upstairs. You like her? Mommy loves you, baby. Yeah, tell me about it. Oh. You don't like me holding that baby? We're gonna leave that one in the box. You only need one.
Give me you, baby. Ay. Hey, baby. It's January 9th. We gotta do greeting today. Yeah, wake Maddie up. Hi. Hey, you wanna see yourself? Hi. There you go.
Do your mean face, Karis. Karis. Do your mean face. Please. Karis. Do your mean face. Look at me. Look at my face. Do that. Do your mean face. That's a mean face. Do a happy face. Karis. 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 Do your mean face. Do a happy face. Is that your mean face? Karis. Karis. Do your mean face. Karis, can you wave? Can you wave? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave. Hi. Wave. Don't do your mean face to me.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, what else? Yeah. Mm-hmm. I love you, baby. Mm-hmm.
Did he poo-poo? He poo-pooed. Say, you stink, bunny. Tell him, you stink. Say, you stinky. Here, smell him. Does he stink? Did he poop? Ew, he pooped. Change his diaper. Can you change his diaper? No? Gonna make him be poopy?
You want to put a diaper on Puppy?
No, puppy doesn't need the
Puppy. Puppy goes pee outside.
Karis, show us please. Say please. Please. Can you say please? Yes. Tell Maddie thank you. Say thank you for getting my puppy.
Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss.
Karis, I need a kiss. Karis, where's my kisses? Come here. Can I have a kiss? Can you blow me a kiss? Can you blow Daddy a kiss? Blow Daddy a kiss. Oh, she's gonna do body slam.
Body.
Okay, Maddie, lay down. Okay, go get body slammer. Ready? Can you go body slam? Go body slam. No, she wants to get her. Get Maddie. Ready?
Body slam.
Okay, now you can get mommy.
Come on.
Body. Karis, you want to get me? Ah, she's on her own little trail.
Body.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You're snorting. Hey, Karis, what sound does a puppy make? Ruff, ruff, ruff. What sound does a puppy make? Is that pretty? Say ruff, 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 ruff. Okay.
Is that funny? Is that funny, dude?
She's not doing this.
That one green.
Good job. Okay, purple goes in the purple. Right there. You gotta turn it the other way, like this. Now try. Good job. You did it. Okay, what other one? Blue. Blue goes in blue. Good job. Okay, red. It's a red triangle. You did it! Yay! Got 'em all! Okay, shake it.
Which one does baby Jesus go in?
Baby Jesus doesn't go in there, huh? Who is that? Is that baby Jesus? Show daddy baby Jesus. Oh, baby Jesus. Did you see where she put baby Jesus? In the manger. Karis, where's baby Jesus? Karis, get baby Jesus. Where'd you put baby Jesus?
He's up in that one.
You put him in the manger. Can you get baby Jesus for me?
She says, no, I have lots of other toys.
So funny. Where's baby Jesus? Can you get baby Jesus?
Say hi.
Say hi to daddy. Say hi to daddy. Where's daddy? I'm mommy.
Body slam.
Hey, where's daddy? Have a puppy, right? Ooh, he's getting 2. Wow, you're being generous. You gotta put it through the thing for him. Uh-oh. Try again. Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, you got that one through. Good job. No, he has enough. He has enough. Who's on the box? Is that Scout? What does the puppy say? What does the puppy say? Ruff, ruff. Does he need one more? One more, okay. Gonna give him one more?
She's going for 2.
Nope, this one. Okay, I'm gonna go put the box away. Say, come here, Scout. Okay, no more. That's enough. That's enough. He's on next for Scout.
What happened?
No, don't have you shook it up. No more. No more. Karis, honey. Honey. Scout's had enough snacks. Should we play with this? Look what I found. Look, I'm gonna put it in your drawer. Look. Maybe there's some other things in here. Maybe I put some other stuff in here. Karis, look. Look. Really distracted. Does that look yummy?
Can I give her a cookie?
No, well, yeah, she had dinner. You want to eat a cookie? You want to have a cookie?
How's this for a distraction?
Oh, yeah. Wait, move.
Yes.
Move, Daddy. Wait, I got an idea, guys. Okay, go get in your drawer. Look at all your stuff. That's her drawer with her special things in it.
Okay, so when I'm putting you in your drawer.
What'd you find? Right in the mouth. She's got a scrub brush and her cookie. Scrub brush went on the floor, so you should take a bite. Like, oh, yeah, this is good. Are you Daddy's little piggy? What are you eating? Is that a chocolate cookie? Why are you saying please? Can you say thank you? Thank you for the cookies? You're saying please for the cookie. There's a big chocolate cookie for a little girl.